I know many of you were probably out celebrating because it was a long weekend, but to me, I was enjoying every moment of just the simplicity of being at home and just lounging around the house and doing things that I needed to do. But yeah, I kind of just took in 3 days of just peacefulness and doing some things in my home and my surroundings and just enjoyed it. Consider it my do-nothing guilty pleasure, because making this house a home has been a wonderful feeling. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. My name is Jamela, and I'm glad you're here. Remember, I said my living room is always my first room I hit after opening the door and let the sunshine in and turning on my music and getting my breakfast started. I love breakfast when I'm at home. I don't know what it is. I keep saying to you that I love breakfast. One goal I had to do was finally put this file folder to use that I bought at the estate sale, because my office was starting to look a little disarray from all the papers and stuff that I've been saving from receipts and with the properties and insurance policies and all kind of stuff. So I'm still paper heavy, but anyway, I had to finally get this in order. And then, not to mention, just do some tidying up on the other shelves and straightening up, because when my granddaughter was in here, I had a lot of stuff around, and she brings in her crayons and everything and paper, and so she's in here too working. But anyway, I was finally happy that I tackled that, especially the filing part, because things can get out of control real quick when it comes to that. And if you're new here, this was a junk closet. I just want to do a little backtrack on this. This was a junky closet that I turned into the office, and it's only 3 by 5 feet. So I'm so glad I created this space in my home for me to have that quote-unquote designated use, because I really did need an office, but could not afford to turn a bedroom into an office. And by it being this small, it forces me to make sure I stay organized with stuff. Even my little electronic things were getting out of place.
And this Limoges dish is perfect for the office.
Limoges dish that I had stowed away, and it's perfect for me to put my little mouthpieces and microphone and earbuds in it.
Cute, right? Go grab yourself one.
And then you remember the trash can I bought from the last estate sale that was only $2 or $5 or something like that. And it fits perfect in here because the other one went into the bathroom. But I like these vintage trash cans. They're kind of special to have. So, but yeah, so getting my little desktop organized was important for me. And this little bamboo box, someone gave that to me, and it was the perfect item to use to store all these charging cords and charger plugs. So they all fit nice tucked in there. Whenever I need to charge something, I go there because all the chargers are in there. And so I'm really being more mindful on how to organize myself in my space. And since I've gotten everything filed in these folders, in that folder there, I'm able to start downsizing stuff in my file cabinet too. I don't know if you all are paper hoarders, but I'm really trying hard not to be a paper hoarder anymore. So I have another file cabinet that I plan to go through and get rid of more folders. I mean, I have papers from the 1980s. I have my kids when they were in grammar school, report cards, and I save all of that stuff, and I don't even know why, but I guess it's the mother in us. Am I the only one that does this? But it's not in the office, though. I do have a file cabinet in our family room that I need to start weeding out some of all that stuff. And then when I start going through it, it takes time to do all of this. So yeah, I spent my 3 days organizing the folders and stuff, like I said, for the properties, and then my homeowners stuff, the stuff that I keep for my house and the stuff I keep for, you know, documents and wills and all that kind of stuff. So my 3 days was spent just taking my sweet casual time working on files and papers and again organizing myself. You know, it's bad enough that the kids are going to have to deal with the other stuff, but I kind of don't want them to have to be so overwhelmed with the paper stuff. So we all have to you know, start thinking about those processes that we have to take care of and make life a little easier for us and after us, the after part of us. It's not that I am rushing myself to an early grave or anything like that, but yeah, that's all. But this is all fun and game, but it is also a serious thing. But yeah, but my office is really such a delightful place for me to, as I call my think tank. I have little small tokens in here that means things to me, and I'm showing them to you because, you know, that picture of me, my sister, my mother, I absolutely love that picture. It makes me smile when I come in here. And there's a card that my cousin sent me that was really, really nice. And down here is just a shelf of some other little pictures that I like and hold on to them. And, you know, a birthday card my aunt sent me, and one particular card that I just kept on me or in here as a memorabilia is when my girlfriend Jan, who I call my sister, sent me a card. Now Jan, you've seen her in my other video. She is white, but when she sent this card to me, I had to laugh because she signed it. The one on the left is Jan with a tan. So that makes me smile. So little things in here, they make me smile when I look at them. You know, it's not just for decor, but it's also because I like having them in there. And these little decorative vintage tin cans, I have a fetish for those. You'll see them sprawled around the house. It's something about the way they're hand painted and the flowers on them that really kind of makes me like them. So I'll pop one in here. That particular one is a favorite of mine. And so again, you know, it is functional in here because there's my printer and, you know, of course, my camera case. I stay organized with all of this, and then my workstation. And of course, that orchid is not real, but you know I love orchids. So finding that orchid at a thrift store was great for me to put in here as an added touch. So yes, this is my office in a nutshell. Not bad, right? Oh, and before I forget, I did take the time to try a new recipe, and this was called Thai red curry chicken or something like that. But I did get the recipe off the internet, and I'll drop that link in my, you know, in my description box. But this was the version that was on the website. So yeah, that was mine, and I'm glad I tried it because it was good. So guys, that was my 3-day weekend wrap up and what I did, because I enjoyed being home and loving it. I hope you liked this video. If so, please drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share. And thank you again for tuning in, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again. Bye.